So let's connect with the user. Once we log in, we'll straight away go to item classes, manage item classes, open this form, and now we need to select the class, which is my demo2 class. Click on item management. See over here, there is a definition workflow. In the earlier session, we skipped this part and we directly routed through the approver. Now we are adding another additional step. So let me say one is person. So one person can approve. Let's say I'm assigning to XX any of the user which is existing. Then one. And what exactly they can perform. So I'm saying operational attribute, so they can change the operational attribute. Which attribute you can decide. Let's say I want allow to enter the main I would say the attributes, and that's it. Okay, now once you have defined this definer, definitely we need to change the process where once it will enter by a user and then it should go to the definer. So let me search new item request, where we can see the flow of the new item creation. So if you notice this one, once I will open this form in the workflow, now you can notice the first part is saying once the user will create an item, it should go to the approver. Now in this case, we want to route to the definition, and once it will enter, it will go to a definition and then it will proceed with the approval. So this change we have to make. In the earlier demo, we bypass this definition. Save and close. Done. Now I will straight away to create an item. So let's say I will go to product manager, information, create item, the organization which I'm using, the ORIMO, and the class is my demo2. Say OK. So now we are creating an item. Now let's see how it will proceed with the definition stage. I will say test for definition stage, and I can straight away define the default values, and that's it. I can quickly submit this one. So now the next step is the definition, and it will route to the definition. So let's see, once we'll done this one, then we'll log in with the definer and we'll enter the required information. So now I will connect with the definer ID, and with the password, let me sign in. Now you can notice over here there is a notification, new item request DM2002 required definition. So let me click this one. So you can see this notification, and this is the item which is created under the item my demo class. Now you can click go to task. Now you can see over here, the this page is open. Now I can make the changes or enter the required information. You notice that this is only the main information I can change. Okay, rest of the information I'm not supposed to change because I'm only allowed to enter the main information. So let me enter the description long test definition xxx, and that's it. So once I have done this one, I can say mark complete and I can close. So let's say mark complete. So this task I've done, and I can say save and close. So once I will done this one, then I will log in with the user ID and we'll see what's the next status system is showing. So now I will connect with the Lina one. Okay, let me check. Okay, now let's see what system is showing notification. Now this item is, and the definition is entered. Now it's the next step is the new item require approval. Okay, I will just say approve, or before approve I will just want to show you how it looked like before approval and after entering the definition. So if I will go manage new item request, let me keep it as this was the item we created and the status is now approval. So this I want to show you that how this item looked like once the definition will be entered. So it's submitted for the approval. If you want to scroll down, you can see this definition has been entered. Okay, submitted. Once you have done this one, you can go over here on notification and you can say approve. So status will become approved. Let me go back for this item. Manage item. So I can just check from here. So I would say come. Let me enter the item number. Move this assign ID. So irrespective of the status, I want to see all the record. Now, if you see over here, this is completed. Okay, let me open over here. This item is now approved. Now, let me go back to the manage item screen where I can see this item status. Now the item is approved. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.